Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today, Mom and I will be making two separate videos at Banning State Park. As you saw from the title of this video, we will be adventuring the waterfall at the state park first, which is Wolf Creek Falls or something like that. Yeah. And then next week's video, we'll be exploring the Quarry ruins at the state park. Could not find the history of the falls, so instead I'll be sharing how Banning became a state park and some fun facts about the Minnesota State Park system. We found mushrooms! Banning was the 48th state park to be established. And now we hit the fork in the road. So Deadman's Trail, or just go over where it's pointing Waterfall, leads to the waterfall, and then self-guided tour, or the Quarry Loop Trail leads to the ruins. Pine County Historical Society got the state interested into buying the Banning ghost town in 1959 to turn into a historical site. But from the scenic value the area gives, it quickly made the state turn the area from a historical site into a state park. In 1963, the bill was in effect, but there wasn't enough funding to begin development until 1967. Sadly, the town that inspired the creation of the park is no longer visible. During the summer, the park has 17 miles of hiking trails, and in the winter, 11 miles for cross-country skiing and 6 miles for snowmobiling. The state park also has a number of spots for rock climbers. A dam at the southern tip of the park was removed in 1995 that restored a waterfall and a series of rapids. Minnesota has 67 state parks, 9 state recreation areas, 9 state waysides, and 23 state trails, totaling to approximately 267,000 acres of land. Itasca State Park was the first state park in Minnesota, being established in 1891, while the most recent state park was added in 2010, known as Lake Vermilion State Park. New York State has the oldest state park system, while Minnesota has the second oldest state park system. Every Minnesotan is 50 miles from at least one state park. Within the Minnesota State Park system, 2 parks are listed on the National Natural Landmarks, 6 state parks are in the National Historic Landmarks, and 34 state parks are on the National Register of Historic Places. The first attempt Minnesota made at creating a state park was in 1885. Minnehaha Falls, a 173-acre park, was authorized to be preserved, but the making of the state park was delayed by legal appeals by landowners that surrounded the falls. When the issues were finally settled, the state no longer had the money to buy the land. Minneapolis bought the land and turned the falls into a city park. Minnesota had the opportunity to make Lake Itasca into a state park. The idea for the park was for recreational purposes and to protect the source of the Mississippi River. There are 9 state parks that are no longer state parks, but were turned into city or county parks. The links for where I got all of my information will be in the description. So this is the end of today's video. The bugs, mosquitoes here are terrible. Mom and I pretty much drenched ourselves in bug spray, and we're still getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. This summer, make sure you guys bring really good bug spray with you when you go out, because that's why my video is very fast and not very good at looking at everything and like I normally like when I do my videos, but I just wanted to quickly get through everything just because of how bad the mosquitoes are. But if you guys want a more thorough look at the falls, then check out my other videos. Mom and I came here last October, and I made a video then of the entire park. If you guys liked this adventure and would like to see more, check back next Wednesday for another fun-filled adventure. Or if you like to see what I'm doing when I'm not filming, check out my Instagram. That'll be in the description. And with that, thanks guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.